I'm just gonna go right into the items that I got from FabFitFun. I did order these boxes. I did sign up for the subscription for the Black Friday sale. So I paid regular price, but there was a mystery box. I forget the amount the value of it, but everything was regular price and the mystery box was free. Trying to hurry up and get through this before little man wakes up, so I'm gonna just breeze on through it. So the first thing is the regular box here, and anything I forget to mention I'm gonna go ahead and just put down in the description, because like I said, I'm gonna just try and hurry up and get through this video. So the first thing I have is the regular box here. Looks like that, and I already broke the tape, so we're just gonna breeze on through here. I did sign up for the annual membership, like I said, so I got to pick 4 items. The cost is $49.95, I believe. If I'm wrong, I will correct myself down below. And like I said, I got the box, and for Black Friday the promotion was you get the box and you get the mystery box. So I'll show the mystery box too. So all of this total was $49.95, $50 or $40, I don't remember. So the first thing I remember picking is these little champagne glasses or whatever. Looks like that. And it's a set of 4. So I have a little light. Thought I was gonna be heavier than this, but they just look like that. So cute. So yeah, put these down carefully. So I got that. I don't know why they put this in there. I've been seeing this on other people's videos. They put this little kind bar. I mean, I'm gonna eat it. Don't get it twisted, I'm gonna eat it. But I don't know the point of this, because I didn't see it like as an option or anything anywhere. So maybe this is just an added thing they're doing. I don't know. But they put that in there. Another thing I remember picking is the Dr. Brent Pore Purifying Cleanser. Really wanted to try that, so that's why I picked it. And the next thing, this is their pick. This is the Daily Facial Dry Brush. So you're supposed to use this for exfoliation and all of that stuff, all of that good stuff, basically. Just with no product on your face, you're just supposed to brush your face with it. I don't know if I'm gonna actually use this, but I mean, it's good to have. I may give it away, I don't know. And the next thing, which is their pick, is some blemish patches. So it's just some little stars, like little, they look like little stickers or something, I don't know. And you just pop them on your pimple or whatever, I guess. So that's good to have. I don't even think I'm gonna go through like the little booklet and all of that. You get that, of course, with your options and all of that. So yeah, the next thing, which was their pick, is a liquid eyeliner from Aesthetica. Looks like that. So yeah, I got that. The next thing I remember picking this, is a high altitude hydration mask. So I got that. I remember doing the quiz, when you take the quiz to like say what kind of products you prefer getting. I remember saying that I prefer skincare as opposed to makeup, nails, and hair care. So I said skincare because I mean, makeup, you have to get the right shade, and you know, not everything is universal. So I just wanted to make sure that my box was curated with stuff that I can actually use. So I kind of figured I would get the dry brush because it's skincare, and you know, it is what it is. And this is like something I really wanted. This is the little LED makeup mirror from Impressions Vanity. So I got that, and it's just a little mirror. It lights up. So I've been wanting another one of these because when I moved back here from Atlanta, I had to throw away like all of my, well, not throw away, but give away all my cosmetic stuff. So I really wanted this. Yeah, this looks like that, and I don't know how it goes on yet, but oh, girl, that's a nice little mirror though. So I got that, and oh, it actually comes with the batteries, so that's good. A lot of packages just send, you know, the actual item with no batteries. So it actually comes with batteries. I don't think I've heard anyone say that on any other unboxings I've seen. So yeah, so and the last thing I got, which was another pick, is a set of 4 cutting boards. So basically, you know, you're supposed to use cutting boards for different stuff like your meat, your veggies, and stuff like that. So really needed that. That will come in handy because I do a lot of cooking. And that is everything for the regular box that you get. So anyone that has been signed up for the winter box will get this box. Now, because I signed up for Black Friday, I have an extra box that was for free. So let me go through that one. So this box is my free box, which looks like that. And like I said, this is a mystery box, so I couldn't pick any of the items, and like I said, I forget how much the value of it is supposed to be, but regardless, girl, it was free. So yeah, it's quite a lot of stuff in here too for a free box. So the first thing I see is a set of 8 charcoal sheet masks. And it has 2 exfoliating pads. So it looks like that. And I want to see what the exfoliating pads. Okay. So it just feels like disposable little pads, like something like makeup remover pads. And yeah, you have a whole bunch of sheet masks in here, which is a bomb because I'm all about my skincare. So the next thing I see is, girl, it looks like a fork. I don't know what this is. It is 1 fork, 1 spoon, 1 knife. So it's a whole little cutlery set inside. Okay, that's cute. I guess it's just like a little travel set. I definitely could get use out of this. I mean, I have a toddler. So, I mean, that's cute. Especially with Miss Rona, if you want to go to a restaurant or something and you know, want to use your own utensils instead of getting disposable ones, or using theirs at the restaurant. That's cute. So the next thing I have is a set of lashes from Baddington Lashes. Never heard of that brand, but this is what the lashes look like. So, and it does come with a little glue here, and a cute little case. So the next thing I have is a sponge, girl, why are you trying to sound French? Sponge gel tea blossom body wash. So it's an infused sponge, basically. So it looks like that. And it says the benefits is it cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. Which is cute. And it's just a little sponge. It smells good. It smells all good. So that's good for on the go-to. That's good for travel too. If you don't want to take like your body wash and stuff, if you're going out of town or something, that'll save. I mean, I don't know how many uses you have in this. Does it say? I don't know. I'm assuming it's more than one use, but I mean, if it is, yeah, multi-use. So it just says multi-use right here, but it doesn't say exactly how many. But I mean, if you're going away for a couple of days, then that's good. You don't have to pack a body wash. It smells good though. So I have that. And the next thing I have is from Dry Bar, which is a good brand. Dry Bar is a good brand. So this is a prime and prep detangler. Okay, and yeah, so it's a spray detangler. So I have that. And the next thing I have is from Skin Volve, and it's the Body Boost Gel. So this is supposed to tone, firm, and smooth, and it's a pre-workout. Girl, she ain't working nothing out. It's a pre-workout gel that you put on to help firm whatever you're working out. So probably won't use this because she don't work nothing out, but yeah, it's sealed, so that's good. I don't know. I mean, if this is your thing, then go on for that. So I got that. The next thing I have, which is something I actually need because I am gonna be doing some traveling in 2021, 2022. Let me tell it. So this is a Michael Kors, girl, let's see, a Michael Kors little wallet here. I think it's really, yeah, it's a passport holder. But I mean, it's a functioning wallet too. Like it has little compartments here and places for your cards here. So it's really nice. Comment down below if you're still rocking Michael Kors, because I mean, I got a whole Coach bag and it is what it is. So the next thing I see here is a felt message board. So it looks like that, and I've always wanted one of these. I thought these were like so cute and like crafty looking, and it has a little baggy tie thing. And okay, how does it work, girl? Okay, so the board itself, I can get it open. The board itself looks like that, and the little letters and stuff. There's a whole bunch of them in here. So I'm guessing you just pop them on there and use this for storage for them. If that's not what it's for, that's what I'm gonna be doing with it. So anywho, that is everything. That's everything that I have from FabFitFun. So I think that was a pretty good deal to get that mystery box along with the actual box that I paid for. So like I said, all of that I just showed was absolutely free in the mystery box. And the only catch was I didn't know what I was getting. I couldn't pick anything. But I wanted to sign up for FabFitFun anyway, so it was no big deal. But yeah, overall, I rate this box, this experience, this is my first box. I rated it 10 out of 10. I did sign up for the annual membership, so I will be doing an unboxing. The next one will be the spring box because it is a seasonal box. So yeah, so far I love it. The only issue I had with it was the shipping did take a while. I'm filming this on January 12th. Like I said, I ordered the box on Black Friday for the Black Friday sale around that time frame, and I just got the box 2 days ago. I just got my actual box that I paid for 2 days ago. Now the mystery box did come like a week ago. It came before the actual box I paid for. So I don't know what that was about, but either way, I love it. I mean, I understand COVID, the holidays, a lot of stuff is backed up, so it's no problem. I'm sure it'll be better in the future. So overall, thumbs up. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. So yeah, with that being said, this little guy is up. So go ahead, like, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.